Imagine this. You wake up, check your calendar, and know your client appointments, sales follow-ups, and even personal errands are already handled. It's like having a full-time employee working for you 24/7 without the overhead. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, what if I told you that this isn't just possible, but it's actually happening right now? AI agents are not only transforming industry, they're creating a $1 trillion opportunity for businesses ready to embrace them. Hi, I'm Simeon, and over the past decade, I've worked with businesses to leverage marketing, AI, and automation to scale faster and smarter. But let me share with you a personal story. In the early days of working with fitness businesses, because that's the industry I'm in myself, I saw countless of coaches and small business owners drowning in admin work, manual scheduling, endless follow-ups, and tedious data entry. And they were all passionate about helping people. They were like super excited to work with their clients, help them reach their goals, but their time was being stolen by repetitive tasks. And therefore they hated marketing and sales. And I was one of those people, by the way. And that's what made me super passionate about helping them in the first place and working with the health and fitness industry and leveraging automations to help them grow. And that's when I discovered AI agents. And AI agents are a tool that doesn't just help you manage tasks, but they can actually do them for you. And today I'll share with you what are AI agents, how they're different from tools, real world stories of how they're solving real problems for businesses and helping you scale, and challenges to watch out for in the upcoming years, and also the incredible opportunities that are awaiting for the early adopters. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how AI agents can take your business to the next level. And without further ado, let's dive in. So what are AI agents? Let's start with the basics. AI agents are like the superheroes of automation, and they don't just wait for you to give them comments. They think, plan, and act independently to complete tasks. That's very different from ChatGPT, where you just prompt it and it spits an answer that looks like a better version of Google. So let me give you a relatable example. You can use calorie counting app to manually track your diet. So for example, you enter what's your calorie goals for the day, and the app would give you the macros. What the AI agent would do, it would create a personalized meal plan, order your groceries, and even set reminders for meal prep, all without you lifting a finger. So to bring this a little bit closer to home, imagine you're a fitness studio owner like M, one of our clients, and one night a client messages you at 10 p.m. asking for an appointment. With an AI tool, you might rely on an automated chatbot to reply, but you'd still have to finalize the booking yourself in the morning. With an AI agent, which we installed for her, it goes further. It gathers clients' goals, checks your calendars, and books the slot directly. Also sends a confirmation email and even schedules a reminder for the client, all while you're asleep. So there's 3 key capabilities of AI agents. The first one being planning. Breaking down tasks into actionable steps like assigning trainers to clients based on their goals, figuring out if they're a good fit for your business and booking them in, or any other task that requires complex reasoning. Second is integration. Seamlessly integrating with other tools, calendars, CRMs, payment platforms, and creating a robust platform and system of tools that work for you. And then memory is the last one, which is learning from past interactions to deliver a personalized experience each and every time, making it sound more human-like. It's like going from having a helpful assistant to hiring a full-time digital employee. And you can see a demo of our AI employees Axel and Lyra by going to wellgrow.io/AI employee or clicking the link in the bio to see them in action. So how are AI agents transforming industries? Let me paint a bigger picture here. AI agents aren't just a luxury for tech companies. They're becoming essential across the industry. And you can see Amazon's investing heavy, Microsoft's investing heavy, Apple's investing heavy. Literally everybody's investing massively into AI adoption. And I will use health and fitness as an example again, because I help small business owners. And M, the studio owner I mentioned earlier, now uses AI agents to automatically follow up on missed sessions and calls, track client progress using data from fitness wearables and past conversations with the customer she has, and also recommend personalized nutrition and training plans that are also delivered through AI based on real-time analytics. And her results, just in a few short months, she was able to get a 25% increase in client retention and have more time to focus on her passion, which is coaching. And the idea is that AI agents are here to support us do more of the work we enjoy doing and less of the work we don't enjoy doing. So how does this apply to sales and marketing? Ever spent hours trying to qualify leads or figure out why some of your sales calls didn't convert? Well, AI agents can now analyze call recordings, identify what worked, what didn't work, and give you immediate feedback. You can also have automatically follow up after every single client interaction, even across multiple channels. You can also pull insights from customer behavior, refine your pitch, or even do a massive in-depth research based on the information that exists about them on the web and personalize your outreach messages. And one of my clients, by implementing few of those AI agents, saved 10 hours a week using an AI agent to handle follow-ups. And that's 40 hours a month or an entire week's worth of work reinvested into growing her business. Now, as with any new technology, it doesn't come without its challenges. And AI agents are no different. Here's what you need to know. Control and safety are super important. And because AI agents operate autonomously, they still need clear guidelines. Imagine if you book your appointment, but you double book it and offer times that are not available, or maybe you even offer a discount that is unapproved. That's why it's important to have regular audits of your technology and have a human on top of it, making sure that everything is compliant and on point. The second thing is over-reliance. If something's working good, we kind of want to pass it off to them and never want to deal with it again. But while AI can handle complex tasks, it's not a replacement for human judgment. So for example, the AI might analyze cold data, but only a coach or a team member can spot emotional intelligence, pauses, tonality, verbal cues, expressions, and things like that. Third is the keeping up with technology component. And AI evolves super fast. Literally, things are changing by the day. And with GPT-5 just around the corner, we're expected to handle audio, video, even more complex decision-making tasks. And staying updated ensures you're leveraging the latest tools. And my takeaway is that as powerful as they are, you gotta stay on top of it at all times. And they work best when they're paired with a human intuition and oversight. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay up to date. So why is this a $1 trillion opportunity? So let's just talk numbers. The global AI market is projected to generate over 1.3 trillion in value by 2030. AI agents are making scaling accessible to every single business out there. For example, if you're a small gym, you can boost membership signups by automating follow-up with trial members. Solo entrepreneurs can easily free up to 10+ hours per week delegating and scheduling admin tasks. And this isn't about replacing jobs or anything like that. It's about freeing you to focus on what matters most, which is creativity, strategy, and client relationships. Think of it this way. The businesses that adopt AI agents today will be tomorrow's leaders. And just like websites were once optional, they're now mandatory. And AI agents are becoming the new standard. So this was beginner level explanation. I didn't go too technical explaining the different LLM models, how they connect together, and overwhelming you with the information, but just giving you a context of where we're at now. So what is the next step I suggest? I suggest you head over to wellgrow.io/AI employee to explore a live demo of our AI agents, Lyra and Axel, just so you can get a more of a real feel of how AI agents operate. And then we show you how these tools handle everything from a single DM to filling out a form to actually having an appointment booked in your calendar with a qualified prospect. And if you're in a position where you need to implement AI within your business to optimize some of your operations, but just don't know how or what you have to do, just book a free AI audit down below today, and we can uncover where there's automation levers we can pull that will have the biggest impact on your business. And before you go, I have 2 questions for you. What is the one task in your business that you'd love to automate? Comment down below. And 2, what excites you the most about AI agents? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.